Hey guys, Curiosity Kid here. Just was working on the X Maxx and I was replacing the receiver because I got water damage. And I was just I couldn't figure out how to plug everything in. So just, if you are wondering how to plug it in, so you've got this one is the ESC, so that's channel 2, I believe. Channel 2, channel 1, and then the other channel 1 is just for my fans here. And then this is for the temperature sensor and voltage, I believe, or something like that. I believe it's just for the temperature sensor, but I'm not completely sure. Yeah, actually, I believe it is. So, yeah. Just thought I'd post this in case anybody was wondering. And I have put XT90s on it as well, which they haven't seemed to make a big difference, but they're just a bit nicer of a plug.